What's up, homies? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about some Gundam goodies, some Gundam side stuff that you can get, little mini collections and little items that you can get that also celebrate the Gundam hobby. So, going forward, I wanted to just show off some of the things that I've collected, from local stores to Japan to eBay auctions, and even gifts that friends have given me, to give you guys an idea of stuff to look for. So going first, let's go ahead and start with this right here. This is part of the Ichiban glass ashtray collection celebrating Gundam 40th anniversary, right? This is actually one of the many 5 or 6 ashtrays that you can actually get. Now, I'm not a smoker when it comes to this kind of stuff, so I don't really use it, and I don't plan to. But a friend had given me this, knowing damn well that it had a certain Gundam box in mind. So this is my Gundam 00 Full Saber Quant ashtray. Now, it could be used for anything else. It could be used for a little nub plate collector or something like that. Or if you're trying to put your parts and just have them set, yeah, that could be something we could have down. But it's pretty fragile. It has a nice glass kind of back base to it. So for now, it's gonna pretty much just stay as one of my prized collections. So there's something that you can look forward to. I believe these on eBay can range from like $10 to $20, so they're definitely not that expensive. You can definitely go ahead and order something like this for yourself. Going on to the second object, whenever new Gundam events come out, like right now 𝕤𝕦𝕒𝕟𝕜 is coming out, definitely kind of look at your local theaters. Like if you go see it in theaters, hold your ticket. They might be giving you accessories, you might get extra goodies. Bandai might do some kind of P-Bandai release, but this is actually one of the many things that I got when Gundam Witch from Mercury was going on. They partnered with Hobby Towns and a bunch of other model kit stores, and I got this along with a Gundam Witch from Mercury bag and a metal phone keychain. So the metal phone keychain is on a lid in my room, but you can put it on to the back of a phone and it lifts up, but it has the Witch from Mercury logo. And this is just one of my spare Witch from Mercury lanyards. So it looks clean. I usually keep it on the wall. I also have this up here. I'll show you. Alright, so you've been seeing these in the background the whole time. These are probably my favorite goddamn item out of everything, because the same store that I bought the little keychains was the same store that I bought this at, right? Now, I thought this was just a pendant, a really cool celestial being necklace and everything. Plus, it comes with this like really dope futuristic stand here. So like, watch, let me move everything out of the way, or move it upward. Then, oh my god, it's so advanced. It's out advanced to me. But anyways, guys, this comes outward and it actually just stands up, so you can display these behind the Gundam, right? I fell in love with this, but one day I got bored, and while I only had the Gundam _𝕠𝕠𝕠, I was messing around with it, and I found out that this comes off, and it's actually a pin. It literally, it's probably dry as hell because it's old as hell, but this doubles as an actual pin. So I'm pretty sure these were some kind of cool ass little hobby kit store like goodie that you could go and see. Like besides side weapons and bases, you could see like acrylic Gundam stands, and you could probably see stuff like this, and then those smaller little keychains that I had as well. So when I found out that this was a pin and that there was more of them, I actually found somebody on eBay that, I kid you not, was selling this exact set. Literally these 3 right here. Now, I haven't been able to find any more. Like, this is the Gundam 𝕠𝕠𝕟𝕜, we have the Virtue, and then the regular, I think this is the normal 𝕠𝕠𝕠𝕠, but it would be pretty cool if they made a 00 riser, and if they made them all in like the Awakening of the Trailblazer. But I still have these wrapped up, sealed. Definitely don't want to open these for a good long time. But yeah, guys, these are pretty cool. These are nifty. I think this whole pack was $35 or so. So guys, there is cooler stuff, you know. If you have a favorite Gundam, you can support it further. You can give it a shrine. You can give it a really badass monument. You don't just have to fold the box art and put it next to it. Nah, dude, there's Gundam Converge figures, there's Gundam keychains, there's Gundam wall art, and as of, well, I don't know how long these have been going, but let me just tell you about these, alright? These are pretty delicate. We're gonna have fun with these. So, I was at my local anime shop when they had these little miscellaneous boxes that I went rummaging through, and I found out there were these awesome keychains. Apparently in all different types of like companies. Here, I have an Ahsoka down here I can get for you guys real quick. So check this out. I even have an Ahsoka version, or Asuka version, whatever, however you say it, but I have one of these for 𝕲𝕦 Evangelion, and apparently these are pretty common over there in Japan. So these type of keychains are just plentiful. I think I have a mix of the Gundam 00 set and then the Gundam 00 Season 2 set, because this looks like the secondary or the first area. This is the second. Okay, yeah. So this is definitely Season 2 Gundam 00. And I believe this is Season 1. No, wait, hold on. Yeah, this is Season 2 as well. Wait, you know what? It's been so long, I can't even remember. But yeah, I usually keep these up on my wall. Nice little keychains. I definitely don't want to take them out and about because I don't want to get them dirty or anything like that. But I mean, they have really cool quality. They feel really dope. I think they were about $2 or $3 a piece. So you don't always have to buy Gundam, guys. If you go to Galactic Toys, eBay, or Goodwill, I guarantee you this will be a really cool place to just search for Gundam mini merch. All you have to do is just type in Gundam and just sort through everything. You'll find some cool stuff. You'll find some stuff you didn't know you fucking didn't need, but now you really want, such as what we're about to talk about. Alright, so moving on to the other item. This is actually another item that a friend had gifted me. I believe it's a keychain collection, and there's another one with 𝕤𝕦, or with lock-on and Tierra, but it shows the 𝕤𝕦 instead. This one's pretty cool. It's really old. It shows Ibrahim and it shows 𝕤𝕦. A lot older, very, very yellow, very, very old school. I'm never gonna open this. Definitely don't want to sell it. This is forever gonna be one of my most rarest Gundam 00 collection items, but I actually have seen these on eBay for like $22, $15 as well. So if you want some keychains and stuff, start looking at eBay. eBay has a lot of crap, and so does Goodwill. I swear to God, go to Goodwill auction, type in Gundam, you're fucking welcome. You're gonna find so much awesome stuff. It's absolutely dope. Another item that the homie had sent out, these are also items you can get. I think these are like $8 to $10, some might be $15, but these are Gundam box art acrylic stands. This is the Gundam 𝕬𝕦𝕡𝕡𝕠𝕣𝕥 mode. Doesn't really have anything on the back, but it's a nice flat stand. I really appreciate it, especially because this is the closest I have to the actual ignition mode. Then we have our Master Grade 00 Quant, which I do have this kit, and I have hella plans for it, but I absolutely love just the crisp image of this. Like, these are our must-have. You gotta have these on your desk, or just chilling with your favorite box art, or even next to your favorite Gundam. So guys, Gundam acrylic box arts are a thing. Table stands, yeah. So you have these as well. Let's see, let's go ahead and talk about this right here. So this right here is, I believe, another Gundam Ichiban Kuji reward. But people have won a shit ton of these and gotten them and sold them. So these are little tiny mini plastic cups. We thought they were glass when we ordered them, but no, these are Bandai Hobby Center quality prize tumblers. So you can actually get the RX-93 Gundam, a Zaku, a Gundam, the Gundam Unicorn, the Gundam 𝕬𝕦𝕡𝕡𝕠𝕣𝕥, Strike Freedom, and Zeta Gundam. And well, I mean, knowing this collection, guys, I'm pretty sure you can have a damn good idea of who I have here. But I'll show you anyways. Yeah, we got our boy 𝕬𝕦𝕡𝕡𝕠𝕣𝕥, or as the show has determined, our girl 𝕬𝕦𝕡. So here's an 𝕬𝕬𝕡 cup. I don't ever plan to use this. This is just absolutely one of the most god tier items that I have. To be honest, I love mecha designs when it looks like it's the design, like the initial pencil design, you know what I mean? Like when they're trying to draw it out and sketch out the suit, like where everything's gonna be. That's what I appreciate the most. So this kind of artwork, absolutely fire. And it's a pretty dope ass cup, so it's not too bad. I bet one day whenever I get older and I do start unboxing my backlog, I'll probably be like drinking a shit ton of sake or some Crown, or I don't know, some Jack Daniel in this cup with something else. So that's what I'll do in my retirement days. For now, I'm just a silly little dude.